everyone, welcome to the Bong's Kitchen. This is Ritu and today I am going to show you how to make vanilla sponge cake in the microwave. For this you are going to need a mixing bowl, a whisker, 1 1/4 cup of maida, 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, half cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and a spoon. First we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. Here goes the maida. Then the powdered sugar. Then the baking powder and the baking soda. Mix everything very well and make sure that there is no lumps. After that we are going to mix all the wet ingredients. First goes the egg, then the oil, the vanilla essence, and finally the milk. Mix everything very well and make a smooth batter out of it. Microwave stand like this. Put this in the microwave and preheat at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Next we need our cake tin and the oil paper. It will make sure that the cake comes out easily from the cake tin. Then we will brush the cake tin with vegetable oil. You can also use butter. Put the oil paper in the cake tin. And now put the cake batter. Tap the cake tin like so to make sure that the cake batter spread evenly and there is no free space. After the preheating is done, we are going to place our cake in the microwave, and in the convection setting, we are going to bake the cake at 180 degrees centigrade for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, we will put a toothpick in the middle to check the cake. There is nothing in the toothpick, so my cake is done. If the toothpick has some cake batter, then you need to bake it in the same setting for another few minutes. Then leave it to cool down for 10 minutes. Now, we are going to put our cake out from the cake tin. We need to remove the oil paper from the cake base. We should do this very gently as it is a soft sponge cake, or else it will break. Cut it as you require. Now I am going to show you how soft my cake is. You can see how soft and spongy the cake is. If you like my recipe, then like my video and please subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Try this recipe at your home and comment below how it turned